Hey there. If you're a green card holder or a new immigrant to the US, finding the right health insurance can be tricky, right? But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to break it all down so you can find the best health coverage that fits your situation. Whether you're just arriving or have been here for a while, let's dive in. So where do you start? The first step is figuring out what type of green card holder you are, because it affects the insurance options available to you. Are you a new immigrant, a frequent traveler between the US and your home country, or are you living here permanently? Each situation is a little different. Let's start with new immigrants. If you're entering the US for the first time, or you're visiting for a short period, you're going to need temporary coverage till you get your green card granted. That's where visitor's insurance comes in. It's designed to protect you in case of an unexpected medical issues during your time in the US. Let's say you're visiting family in the US for a few months, but you're not living here full time. Visitor's insurance can cover unforeseen medical emergencies while you're in the US, so you won't be stuck with a huge hospital bill if something goes wrong. Now, what if you're a green card holder, but you don't live in the US permanently? Maybe you travel back and forth between the US and your home country. For example, if you travel to the US for 6 months and then go back to your home country for the remaining 6 of the year, in those cases, visitor's insurance is still a great option. It gives you the safety and peace of mind of having coverage during your trips to the US. Finally, let's talk about green card holders who live in the US permanently. There are multiple scenarios you can fall into within this category too. If you're under 65 and a full-time resident, it's time to consider domestic health insurance options. This includes big names like Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare, and Kaiser Permanente. These plans can be bought through your employer or the US government's insurance marketplace. Let's say you just started a new job and you're eligible for employer-based health insurance. That's great. But if not, don't worry. You can still buy your own insurance through the marketplace. Now, if you're a green card holder over 65, you've probably heard of Medicare. This is a federal program that covers healthcare for seniors. But you do need to meet certain criteria to be eligible. Make sure to check the requirements and see if you qualify. What if you're between jobs or just waiting for your health benefits to start? In this case, visitor's insurance can help bridge the gap. It offers temporary protection while you're still figuring out your next move. It's so important to have medical coverage as soon as you start your new life in the US. Healthcare here is expensive, really expensive. While domestic plans are best for long-term, visitor's insurance can help make sure you are covered in the meantime. No matter what your situation is, there's an insurance option for you. Whether you're a new immigrant, a frequent traveler, or living here permanently, staying protected is key. Head over to visitorscoverage.com for more information on health insurance options for green card holders and start your journey stress-free.